Want to know how to see who you blocked on Facebook? You would want to see who you blocked on Facebook to reconnect with someone you previously blocked. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to see who you blocked on Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open Facebook app on your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here tap on the settings and privacy option. Again tap on the settings option. Likewise, scroll down to the audience and visibility section and tap on the blocking option at the bottom. Finally, here you can see all the people you have blocked on Facebook. So this is how you can see who you blocked on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.